Hi, in this tutorial I'll be explaining a system software utility that can be used to maintain your computer, and I'll be demonstrating how to use it. The first system software utility I'll be talking about is disk defragmentation. This is physically organizing the contents of your mass storage device to store files in a systematic way. This is done by placing all files closer together so that the hard drive disk reader or head doesn't have to look all over the hard drive disk for specific files. If all the files are together, it will be much faster to search for the files. It does this by analyzing the hard drive and moving files around so that they are closer to the hard disk head or reader. This is done to increase the performance of the computer. For example, it will cause opening up files and applications such as web browsers to load up much faster, and reduces seeking time when searching for files. For example, when you go to Start menu and you want to search for a specific Word document, this will be done much faster. Disadvantages of a disk defragmentation and how often you carry out this process. So this process can be time consuming. I'm now showing you an image that I've found on the internet to aid you in your visual interpretation of what a disk defragmentation is. Here you can see that the numbers at the bottom, 6, 7, 6 and 1, are the files that may be spread out around the hard drive disk. Now the disk is now being defragmented and all the numbers have now been put together. This has shown that now all the numbers are closer together and will be much faster to find. Now I'll explain to you how to actually carry out a disk defragmentation while on a simple Windows XP Vista or Windows 7 interface. So what you need to do is you can load up Control Panel. As you can see, here's a classic view of Control Panel. You press search and then you type in defragmentation, and as you can see, icon has popped up that says defragment your hard drive. If you click this, it will ask you to allow, and then you give the application permission to continue. Here you will see that the tab has now loaded where you can set a schedule for your disk defragmentation. So I have one that is set for every week. This is good so that every time it doesn't take too long and my computer consistently runs fast. If I want to do a defragment on any random day, you can also do this, and here you can select different types of files or hard drive disks that you want to defragment. So if I press defragment now, it will ask me which of my 3 hard drives that I would like to defragment. For this purposes of the tutorial, I'll defragment all of mine. If I press OK, it says now that it's defragmenting my first hard disk. This is my external hard drive. This may take from a few minutes to a few hours. As I have many files, and some of which are very large in size, this can take a few hours, and so I will end the tutorial now. So I thank you for listening, and I hope I've aided you in explaining how to carry out a disk defragmentation, the advantages and the disadvantages, and of a disk defragmentation. Thank you for listening. Thank you, bye.